Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode corporate filings. Today we are diving into a report from Versius AI, and let me tell you, it's not quite as poetic as their name might suggest. Think less sonnets, more spreadsheets. We'll break down what Versius is up to and what this all means for them. First things first, this isn't a brand new report, it's actually an update to a previous one filed in April of this year. They are basically refiling the original report to include it in their registration statement, which is like them saying, hey, remember that thing we told you before? It's still important, so let's get to what made it important enough to mention twice. The report includes an update about legal issues and other things happening at the company. We will take a closer look to see if it sounds like a big deal or not. Also, it looks like they moved their main office, like changing your address on your driver's license. They used to be in a place called New Westminster in British Columbia, Canada, but now they are in Los Angeles, California. Now, let's talk about why they are making this update. The company is including the original report by reference into their registration statement. A registration statement is a document that companies file with the SEC when they want to sell securities like stocks to the public. It's like including a recipe in a cookbook. This is important for investors because it means that the information in the report is officially part of the company's public record. So on April 14th, Versius AI shared an update about some lawsuits and other stuff happening with the company. Think of it as a company status update, but for grown-ups. Let's dig into it to see if there's anything juicy. Now let's turn to that update and find out what is going on. Unfortunately, the document doesn't provide the full details of the update relating to litigation and other matters. The actual update is in Exhibit 99.1, so we can't see its details from this filing. Since this filing is just an amendment to include it in a different document, it means that for more information, we need to look somewhere else. Let's step back and think about what this all means. So what is the verdict? Versius AI is making sure that everything is correctly filed, updated, and publicly available. By refiling the 8K to include it in the registration statement shows they are ticking all the boxes. In conclusion, this report is more of a procedural update than a reveal of anything brand new, but keeping an eye on those background details is what being a smart investor is all about. Thanks for watching, and if you like this dive into the world of SEC filings, hit that like button, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe for more.